Hello everyone, William Oakes here with Pegasus Technology Solutions. Today I want to give you a quick overview of the latest version of Content Storm. In the latest version of Content Storm, we added something called dynamic and static content. What that means is all the static content is automatically getting generated at runtime and at an end. So we have our prompts, but it's also pulling in all the information from Airtable that we can dynamically edit at any time. So let's look at the products and services. Well, I'm going to be able to go into this, and I'm going to be able to really edit it and niche it down to say ERP Next for startups. And then I'm going to be able to drive home the points that makes us unique and why somebody should do business with us versus one of our competitors. And I'm going to be able to do that for target audiences, voice, archetype. And then we have our post templates. I created about 38 so far, and I'm going to keep adding more. But basically, this is covering all of the type of posts that you can generate, from LinkedIn, Facebook, to our content funnel, from validation all the way to fear of missing out. All right, so let's jump back into this. This is the content funnel. Now this creates highly effective content. So I'm going to start generating this, and then we're just going to jump into our prompt breakdown. All right, so the validation post, this is all about telling them what their pain points are. We're going to help them overcome any internal or external objections they might have. We're going to provide some transformational posts, so how our products and services can really help them achieve their business goals. We're going to do some pre-selling, so maybe we're going to provide some case studies, social proof, and then we're going to provide some offers, so really give them a call to action on why they should buy our products and services. And then at the end, we're going to really hit them hard with a fear of missing out post. That way, hopefully, they do business with us and not a competitor. All right, so this is generating. I'm going to jump into our content distribution. So I already have a couple posts made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do these two. I already set our call to actions. And all right, so we got Pinterest here. So I'm going to search for Pinterest. I'm going to do a how-to guide because I like it a little bit more. And then we're going to do Instagram. Now we're going to generate. And you can really generate all of these at scale. Like I only have 20 posts here, but if I did all of these, we'd have about 80. And if I did all of these, we'd have 160. So this scales really rapidly, depending on how aggressive you want to be with your social media. All right, so this post is generating. And let's just check our workflow real quick, see how our executions are doing. All right, so it's running, and it looks like it already finished. All right, so discover the secrets of an effective social media marketing. All right, so this is our post. I think this looks pretty good. The template definitely did its job. You know, Waterville, Maine, that's where we're located. Our call to action. You know, this is something that I'd feel comfortable posting. We're looking for some beta testers right now. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below, and we'll get you guys set up with your own instance.